Hey guys, what's up? This is our 12th JavaScript project. As we know, every week we are making a one JavaScript project and we are learning a new JavaScript feature also. In this week we will learn JavaScript Stream API, how to get a data from the stream. As you saw it also, like Prime, Netflix, even YouTube also, video is not coming in a single file, it is coming in the stream. Stream means sequence of byte. Even you guys can check it also. You can go on Netflix and just refresh the Netflix page and you can check is the movie is actually coming as a file or it is continuously coming some service request. So you will find we are getting continuously coming as a request because all the data is coming as a stream. In stream means if we have the very bulk file or very big file, so we'll divide any part of the chunks and we'll send it actually small part to it. All the live match, all the live concerted also, all the things is coming as a chunks only. So means we are getting only that particular byte and that it add in our video player. And it will show as a buffering also. So that is the power of the string. We don't need to download the complete file on a client machine. We'll send a few bytes and client will be watch that one, right? And one more good feature is, guys saw it also, if you was on the Instagram, you will see that actually the particular reel or the video is playing it. And once you move out from the tab, then immediately the reel will be stopped. How this can possible and how we can achieve this thing in JavaScript. So that thing we will learn into today's video. So let's start the demo part. As you can see the screen, we have live cricket match, right? The score is updating, hour, even run rate, even the batsman also, even live commentary also. And guys, this is not live, this is scripted match and everything we made it through JavaScript only. Good part is all the data is coming as a form of stream and it updating on a browser. So such kind of stream data we will get it. According to us, we can win it anytime also, right? No. According to system, we need to learn the stream API. So let's jump on the coding part of it. So as you can see, we have three files, HTML, JavaScript and CSS. In HTML, we will write down the HTML template and we need to add the reference of the CSS also. And these are the two reference guys. One we are using font awesome guys for icon purpose. And another one is the local style. Style we will write down over here. And guys, one more thing, this style is actually basic style. Only one new thing is over here. We are using the font from the Google font family. So you guys can actually download or you can use internally refer the file also through @imports, through @use also. And you can pass the URL or either the file path from here. And that thing we are doing oftenly into SAS. But in CSS also we can do. And these are the variables and these variables we can use it like a var keyword. The rest everything is the plain CSS. You guys can go through it and let me know if you have any doubt. We will resolve it also. So this is our CSS part. So in the layout, first we will make a container. Container means there we will everything will put inside in it. So we will put in this div. Inside in it we will make the three sections: header, main section and the footer. Header means where we will show the heading part. So this is our heading part. There we will show the live cricket score tracker, exactly the application's name. Main is there we will show the scoreboard and below we will show the footer, and this is footer, and in between we will write on the main. Inside in it we have a div tag only, so I'm just copy pasting over here so that video will not become lengthy. So here this is match info, so this is the class over here. We have the two class and this is match info. And guys, I'm using the ID so that if I need to change into through the JavaScript, easily we can change it also, or without ID also we can get it everything through the query selector, right? Below this match info we have one more section that is called score container. So there will show the score of the match. Below this one will show the current status. Means what is the current is right now going, this means who is actually bowling, who is batsman, and what is the last ball over run. And definitely the below should become the commentary part. So this div should be closed over here and we need to write down the commentary over here. So this will be the live commentary, and guys over here we are using the ID commentary list so that we will dynamically insert the commentary. So our layout and CSS part is done. Now we will do the JavaScript coding. So in the JavaScript, first we need to make the data like team, the current batsman, maximum over, and batting team, whatever the team name we wanted to give it, we can give it also internal purpose. So these are the mock data. So these are the mock data we require to simulate the cricket match. And guys, whichever the batsman you like it, you can put it that batsman name. So here we are putting the Virat Kohli. Now first we will add the functionality of the visibility, page visibility. So we'll add it. So we'll write down document dot yes visibility change only, and I don't need this one. I will make my own functions. So function name is handle visibility change. Handle visibility change means, guys, when we have the particular on the tab, means on the visibility sections, then we will get the hidden false. Otherwise we will get the hidden true. So I'll make the function. So in this event we will get and here we'll write down something like if document is hidden, then what we wanted to do. If the document is visible, what we wanted to do. So let's test this functionality, guys. So we forget to add the script tag on a HTML page, so we'll add it over here just below the page or above the body closing tab. So we'll write down there and let's test it. Now page is visible. When we go there into some other tab and we'll come back, we should get hidden also. Again we came back, we got a visible. So if you saw the Instagram reel also, right, there you will move just outside the page, then immediately the video will be stopped or the reel will be stopped, right? And once you come back in that page, then again it will start it also. Might be you feel this experience into somewhere else also. So we can achieve such kind of thing through this visibility change event. So what we wanted to write down, we will write down over here, we will say render. So we'll do the two things over here. Once this actually hidden, we will render the cancel. We don't want it to be render our live stream. And once we are exactly on the visibility section, then we will actually render our stream. Okay, and to stream we will make a function. So we'll make a function read stream. Okay, and the same this read stream we will write down over here. The read stream will become only when the page is visible, otherwise we will stop it. Okay. And first we will make the readable stream. So readable stream is actually JavaScript feature, and we can make cricket stream, constant cricket stream equal to new readable stream. Inside in it we have one object, and there we will write down our logic. Okay, and the logic is simple, guys. We need to make a start, and we need to write down controller, and start is a function that will automatically call once the stream will be start. Inside it function we can write down that stream we wanted to push on the live. So we'll make a functions push event, and that push event function will write down over here. All right, inside in it we'll write down the logic constant batting team, whatever the team is batting, we'll get that data from the match data. So this is our match data. So from here we will write down match data dot batting team. So this is the batting team, means whatever the team we have, this data will get it over here, right? And here we'll write down one more logic, if batting team yes over. So these are the over, guys. If the batting team over is greater than to the match data maximum over, and one more condition should become batting team dot wickets also, it should be less than 10. Okay, then only we need to do something. Otherwise what we'll do, we need to switch the inning if the first inning is complete. Okay, so that is also we need to do. So that functionality will do over here. So we will write down match data dot the batting team, if it is team A, then so guys, team A, team B is the name is internally used for it. Here we will use, so batting team will be, if the team 1 is there, batting team will be changed to the team 2, and bowling team will be the team A, right? And after that also we should call this functions, so that this will be start checking it again, right? And here we'll say, or I can write down the comment, continue the second inning, right? After that, if team 2 is also done it their match, then what we will do, we will just controller dot close. This task is done. Okay, no need to be just send the further stream. So this is look like a abort controller, guys, and abort controller is also one more concept in JavaScript. If you wanted to abort any, you can say like any call or any request or any stream, then we can abort it also. Okay, so this part is done. Now we need to be making one functions, and that function will return us to some event, and that function will write down the generate cricket event, and that function will define it over here, functions generate cricket event, and it will return some event. Event means, guys, in cricket match what kind of event we have, we could be have single, we could be take the double run, 4, 6, right, dot ball, wicket, wide, no ball. So these are the events, right? We will make this all this event because this is the programmically, and we are just simulated this can be possible out of them. So these are the events name. Okay, so single, double, 4, 6, it could be, these are the single name, and these are the probability, means we are just on the basis of probability we'll write down some logic. Now we need to be randomly generate out of them which index we want to be use it. So we'll write down, we'll use the math.random, we will get a random number over here, and we will write down the cumulative probability is 0 right now. Okay, this is initialization value we have. We will run a loop one by one. So I'm just running the for of loop, one by one event we will get it over here. Inside it, whatever the probability we will get it, we will add it over here, and we'll check if random number is less than to the cumulative probability, then we need to do something. So then we will just simply say return event name. This event name we will return it, Okay, otherwise we will say the dot ball. So this is the chances of that. If the probability will be increased, we keep running. Once the probability will reach out to less than of this one, then we will actually generate a particular event name, right? And guys, this is custom logic. We can change it our own also, means according to directly random number wise also we can do. Without probability also we can extract it. Right, so otherwise we'll write down the dot balls, and this data will get it over here in this event. On the basis of this event, we will write down one more function that is called update score. We'll make this functions update score. We'll get the event. Inside in it, according to event, we will write down some logic. Means we need to run a switch case. First we will get the batting team, because this batting team score we need to update wicket, and over also we should update. After that we'll write down the switch statement. This is the event. In this event, what we will get? The string only, right? So simple thing. So if it is single, we will actually update the score 1. If it is actually double, we will update the score 2. 4, 4, 6, 6 we have. Dot means we will make the blank, right? So like we will write down some cases over here. So these are the cases, guys. Single, then we will update the single score 2, 4, 6, and wicket means we got the wicket, we will update. Score no ball and wide, we will update the one score over here. So these are the score. So finally we will actually add one more thing, batting overs. So in over actually we will update 0.1 over actually will increase. Next thing is, if batting team over to fixed it, we'll write down percentage or modulus equal to 0. Should be 0. Use the to fix whenever we want it to be the fix the decimal, means 1 decimal, 2 decimal. So we will give the 1 decimal only. If the remainder is 0, that means over will be changed, right? So in this case we need to write down the logic over and whatever the batting over we have, and we will actually add this one, because chances of that the score will be update little late, and all the ball will be goes as a dot ball. And finally after that stream will be work, then we will update immediately the next over, right? So this is the way we will actually update the score. After the score update, we'll use another function of the controller is enqueue. Okay, and here we'll write down the event. And use of enqueue means actually we are giving some chunks or some event to the stream. Okay, and this event we will give to the stream. So next part is when we will run the next stream. So here we'll write down the to simulate set timeout, and our function should be the push event only, and we can give some time also. So for time I'm just doing it math dot random, and here we'll write down millisecond. We will just actually multiply by 3000 and plus by actually 1000. So this is custom logic, and meaning of this one, guys, we wanted to delay between 1 to 4 seconds. Every ball should be actually delay 1 to 4 seconds, so that we can simulate somebody was actually updating the commentary. So it should be take some time, not immediately just like the brrr and every score will be update. No, we want actually slowly should become. So random delay between the 1 to 4 seconds. That's why we required this one. So till now whatever we done, guys, this is actually we are not using any UI. Actually we didn't get any element of the from HTML, and we are not actually mapping the JavaScript object on that particular element. All are the basically internal purpose we wrote down. We are just maintaining the stream only. Another thing is to start updating the stream on a UI, we required one more thing, that is reader, and that reader we will get it from the cricket stream.getReader. So this stream will get it on this reader, and we will read it, and on that we will write down some logic. And logic is we need to now read the stream, and here we'll write down functions read stream. So what we will do on the reader, yes, this is also promise, guys. On the promise we will get the data, and we will get the two things done and the value, that is also correct. And here let me close this one also. If it is done means our stream is actually complete, then we will say match is complete, right? And when the stream will be done, so we will when we close it. Okay, so our match is done, and inside in it we will write down the display match result also. So we will make one function display match result, and that function will call it, and that function we will make it over here functions display match result. Okay, inside it we need to update the UI part. So first we will get the commentary list. In this commentary list we will make the li also, because you can see commentary list is nothing the ul only. So we'll make the dynamic li. So we will make the one by one li over here, and inside it we will write down the style also. So this is the style, we are adding the font weight, and this is bold. Here we will check one condition. If match data of the team A score is greater than team 2, then we need to be show the team A is actually, or team 1 is actually win. Otherwise we need to show the team B or team 2 is actually win. So we'll write down this one, because this function will be called when actually match is complete. Remember this one also. Okay, and this is done, and in this result item we will add this one, and this is the name of the team, and this is the score, and this is the this one. So this much our exactly it is win over there, right? In another case we will use this one, this team 2 is win by this much of the wicket, right? So both the team actually have the same score, will should be the tie also. And this thing so I will show over here, means in commentary list I'm adding this li, this whatever the new li we made it, and we need to be further commentary should be stop it. So to do this one we will write down document dot this event we should be removed. So the remove event listener and handle visibility change we will remove it from here. Here one more thing, if we are actually move our tab from active tab to the another tab, then we should write down the reader cancel, the page is not visible. So we will show this cancellations because we don't want it to be the get the stream further, we don't want. So this is done. Here the match is going on, we should update the UI also, right? To update the UI we will write down the update UI, we will write the outside this if condition update UI, and whatever the value we will get, that value we need to pass on it. So inside in it we will write down update UI, and here we will get the event only. Event means whatever the event we are passing over here, right? This is the event name, and here we will get the both the team. In update UI we will get the both the team, whatever the batting team and whatever the bowling team we have. And here we need to be add the data on HTML. So we have so many elements on HTML also. We can see these are the team A, team 2, right, and batsman, all these things we need to update. And how we will do it exactly? Simple, IDs we have, right? We can say every element we have ID, so we need to just update it. It's very simple guys. We need to be just get data from these two objects, and we need to be add it through the text content we can add. So like team A, team 2 name, we will add it, right? And score, how we will update the score? Score also will update like a way. If we wanted to score beside of that wicket also we wanted to show, we can show like a way score and with slash and the wicket name, right? Similarly we can update the over also. So these are the over, and similarly we can update the few more things like current batsman, current bowler, and the last ball also. These are the things we will update it. Below we need to show the run rate also, and how to calculate the run rate. Simple thing, batting over, right? Whatever the score we have divided by the over, and whatever the result will become, that it will become a run rate, right? And that run rate we will show into a run rate over here. And last thing is we need to update the parallelly commentary also. Okay, and the commentary will update into commentary list, and commentary list means this is the list guys. So we'll use this one over here, and we will make same as it is li tag. This is li, and inside it we will need to write down the text content. Inside it what we need to write down, we'll write down this one, the whatever the score or whatever the current ball we have, we will write down this one. So this is the batting over team, this is batting name, this is score. All information will add, and we will append on the commentary list, right? We can do one more thing. If we have commentary list is actually greater than 10, then we will actually remove the last item. So how we'll do this one? Write down logic. If commentary list dot children if greater than 10, then commentary list dot remove child, and we will remove from the last one. So we'll write down remove child. Inside it we'll write down commentary list dot last child. So last child, first child also we can extract it because these are the HTML element only. So we can directly extract it also. We will get the last element, we will remove it all from there. And next thing is we can show the current inning also. We have the current inning is over here, match title. So match title is over here, right? And this match title we can show which is team is actually playing. So we can show these things over here. So whatever the batting team name and the bowling team name, we can show it over here. So this message will become over here. So this information we can show it over here. So let's see in the browser till here, is it working or not? On browser we can see, yeah, score is actually getting and commentary also getting, but we are getting only once. So we need to still develop the system. So we'll go there, and where we was actually developing this section, right? And further we need to generate the commentary part. So we'll generate it below. And guys, I think we have the more commentary part. So I'm just making a new function, that is generate commentary. In this one we will pass the event, and there we'll write down all the logic of commentary related. Commentary is simple guys. We'll make it functions because we need to generate so many string part over here on the basis of actually object wise. So we will write down all the commentary related logic over here, and logic is this one. We can see these are the event, and inside it we have single, double, for, these are the things, right? Inside it we'll check whatever the event name we will get, according to that we will get the commentary one of the object, right? And from there we'll generate a random commentary, and according to length wise we will multiply and we will get it, one of them we will get it. From single means it could be single from this, it could be this, or it could be this, any one of them. So from the randomly we will get it one by one. So these commentary will get it over here, and these commentary we will show it over on this object. So we'll show it over here, right? And after that this commentary item is nothing, the one more item we have, and definitely we need to be the append it also, and we won't be append, we will do the prepend, right? Again whatever we did it earlier also, we latest commentary should be goes on the top, and again need to check this logic also. So we can make a functions, and this logic we can actually write down into separately also, because only this string will be changed. So we can pass this string to the function as a parameter, and for this part we can make the common also. The final thing is we need to be change the player also. So player we will change randomly, so we'll change it over here, math dot random, and we'll write down if random number is generated less than of 0.1, then only we'll change the player actually. Okay, so here we'll change the player of the batsman or bowler. So we'll pass a string, and we'll write down for the bowler also, and in the bowler suppose actually we can write down the less chance, so we are actually making this one. And now we need to change the player also. So to change the player means we'll write down one more functions, change player, and according to batsman and bowler we'll write down the logic. If the team 1 is actually doing the batting, so batsman means batting team, and player also we require, right? So how we know that, how our system know that, okay, what is the player of the Indian team and the Australian team, means like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, all this team players. So we'll write down here these are the team player, and from this team player we will get the team. Batsman means these are the team player, team A or team 2, according to that we will get it, right? And after that we will pick the new player. So new player means randomly we'll pick it, any player we can pick it, guys, okay? Not sequence wise, we can picking from randomly, okay? So let them actually other people get the chance to play on the top also, because it's our hand, so we are the captain, so we can actually decide it also. That is a good part, right? So now we'll write down over here one more thing. If the role is batsman, then current batsman is the new player. If the role is actually bowler, the whatever the new player is actually will become the bowler of it. Our code is done. Now we need to test it on browser. So we'll go on a browser, we'll refresh it, and our commentary should start. So we'll wait for a few seconds. Yes, second ball is came, and the player is Virat Kohli is playing, and this is the bowler. Great, team A can be possible to win it also, and we can see this is also good. Exactly, we have over actually style it also, right? And only 10 will become, because why we need to make a so much scroll, but it could be possible. We can maintain all the commentary also, right? So like we can make it also. Now Mohammad Sami is came, let him also play on the top, right? So this is the way, guys, we can make the system, and this is the way we can use the stream API, right? So hope you guys understand about the stream API. And similar to this one, guys, we will make the new project in the next week also, and we'll learn new thing, and we'll do some more and more real use case also, right? So please keep practice, and you will guys get the source code also in the comment section. I will put the GitHub link. Take the reference of it, write in the comment also, okay, what project you want, what functionality of JavaScript you wanted. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Till the time, happy coding.